Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and today we are making veggie taco salad. Very high in protein, very high in flavor. You will love it. Yummy! Taco salad today. Meatless Taco Tuesday? Yeah, I think it's Meatless Taco Tuesday. Anyway, first thing I want to show you is, usually these shells are fried, okay? That they make for taco salad. You don't have to do that. What you do is you heat the taco up in a pan, you heat the baked tortilla up in a pan just a little bit so it's pliable. Then you can press it down inside this pot. This is a small sauce pot. Then I put it in a 400-degree oven for about 6 minutes. And this is what I got. Okay, next, what I did was, as you saw last week when we made the barbecue taco salad, I took tempeh, which you know I'm a fan of. I ground it up in the food processor. Now I put chili powder, coriander, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic in here. Then some. I mixed this with some olive oil. I put it in a 450-degree oven for 6 minutes, and look at how nicely it browned. Okay, it's still slightly warm. We're going to use that instead of taco meat. All right, and by the way, this tastes awesome. Now I've got some baby organic greens. All right, so look at this. These are already washed already. So I'm literally taking it right out of the package. This is a very quick dinner or lunch you can make for yourself, all right? You can take the components separately and then build it at work if you want, all right? Put some beans, a little bit. Now it's redundant with the protein, but I like the beans in there. They give the salad a nice crunch. And this is relatively warm, so do not use your hands like I am, but I've got oven-proof hands. All right, so now I'm putting this on here like I would ground beef, okay? And that's our main protein for the salad. Put about probably 4 ounces on here, okay? Then I'm going to put some corn. Give it a little color, a little crunch. This is frozen corn, thawed, by the way. Then I'm going to put a little bit of chunky salsa. You can also put fresh tomatoes if you want. A little chunky salsa on top. A little sprinkle of, now this is vegan cheese, okay? This is not dairy cheese. It's cheddar vegan cheese and Colby Jack vegan cheese. A little bit on top. So this whole thing, this whole meal is plant-based, all right? Also, even the dressing. I've got some buffalo ranch here. This is vegan, where is it? Vegan buffalo ranch, all right? I mixed it up, put it in a little squeeze bottle. Keeps longer and it's easier to use. It's also easier to put on the salad. Now, then I'm just going to make it real pretty. And look at that. Okay, there it is. Our very, very vegetarian, very veggie taco salad. Absolutely yummy. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.